Looks so badass. How are you?
Guys, this is Evan from Throttle.
What's up, guys? How's it going?
Made an appearance. What's up, guys? So we're gonna get right into it today. We're back from Vegas officially, and we got Evan over here from Throttle coming to pay us a visit, talk some YouTube stuff, and we're gonna see what we can do together. I see he brought his M3. You already know, Beamer boys. Such a beauty. Let's see what we got under the hood. Alright.
That's the E36.
E36.
Freaking turbos hitting the hood.
Oh,
melting
shit.
it.
Melting it.
You know anything about Beamers, Ivan?
I'm not a Beamer boy, sorry guys. I don't fuck with
You don't know anything?
I don't fuck with Beamers.
New clutch and flywheel, and then CX Racing turbo kit. What size is your turbo? GT35R.
Ivan doesn't eat pokey, which is fucking crazy. So this guy gets teriyaki. Can you guys believe this fucking guy? I'm getting tired of him already. So we just wrapped up our meeting with Evan from Throttle, really cool guy. And he mentioned that Throttle is having a VIP sweepstakes where you can enter into their VIP membership or subscription, and you can win yourself either a Garrett Turbo or a $4,000 gift card of some sort to spend on their website, and it goes straight to car parts. So you guys should definitely check out Throttle, and we got some pretty cool projects coming together.
$1,000 store credit.
Yep, there it is, $4,000 store credit. Speaking of Ivan, we are going to be working on his car today, and I believe our boys over at R1 Concepts sent us some new rotors, right?
Yeah, boy.
Yeah, so we're gonna be installing those today on the FRS. We all know how that came out on the 350Z. So this guy's about to get hooked up. You guys prepare yourself for another dope install video. So something that I do want to start doing is I want to start answering a lot of your guys' questions. It could be personal, it could be about our cars. I just want to be able to engage with you guys more, and I can answer them within the comments that you leave on this video, or actually live while you're watching our next vlog. So make sure you guys are asking us questions. Be sure to hit that like button. Check out our new merch. We're dropping a bunch of new gear. If you haven't already, go to tunedintokyo.com. Support your boys. We really want to get our YouTube game like popping. We need more views. We need way more views. We're getting like anywhere from 500 to 1,000. I know you guys all know that we should definitely be in like the tens of thousands zone. We're putting so much money, time into these vlogs, and we're working extremely hard to give you guys really dope videos and entertainment. So please, if you guys can, the only thing we ask for you is to make sure you like every single video, shoot a comment, and if you do that, we are gonna reward you. We're gonna give you guys some free gear. We always do an Instagram or YouTube giveaway in every single video. So please make sure to keep liking, keep dropping your comments, and we're gonna make sure to give you guys some free gear for doing that. So another thing, Gio has blessed us with his beautiful Evo 10. He's gonna be leaving this at the shop now. He's actually been coming in every single day just to work on this event that we're having in March. We're gonna be shooting a lot more videos with this beautiful car. Anyways, it is time to get down and dirty and install these brake rotors on the FRS. Ivan's pulling it up right now as we speak.
Alright guys, like Frankie did mention earlier, I did get a set of rotors for my FRS. Of course from R1 Concepts, so make sure you check them out. They got the dopest brake setups, hands down. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys my package from R1. I did open it already, but oh, this is a heavy box, guys. I did get the instructions for how to break in the rotors. Ceramic brake pads to go with the rotors, so that's really cool. So I got the front and the rear. Thanks for that, R1. So, oh, what the? They're black. This is nuts. Drilled and slotted rotors. I don't know why they're black, but I'm pretty sure once you put them to use, the black, whatever this black coating is, will eventually just come off completely. These look like these are probably gonna be for the rear. Black on black, that's crazy. Black headlights, black car, black rotors. Let's get down to it. First things first, I gotta break loose the lug nuts on all 4 wheels so I can take the tires off. Just got taken off all 4 tires on the car. It is on the lift. So looking at the rotors for both driver and for the front and the back side, it should be pretty much the exact same setup we did for the 350. There's a bolt right there, and then on the bottom side as well, right there. Remove those 2 bolts, this whole caliper will come off so we can remove the brake pads. And then we will then go ahead and take out the 217 millimeter bolts that hold the actual bracket in place, which is located back there, right there. So first things first, I'm gonna remove this top bolt here and the one down here. They are 14 millimeter in size, so I'm gonna remove these 2 and take out this brake caliper. Here are the 2 bolts. Now this should allow the brake caliper to come off pretty easy. So let's check that out. And there it is. Before I do that, I'm gonna get a zip tie. So I got my handy dandy zip tie right here. Now to hang this off the spring so it's not hanging off the brake line. Okay, perfect. Now that the brake caliper is removed, now we got to take off the 217 millimeter bolts to remove the brake bracket. Taking these bolts off, I do recommend using a breaker bar because they are really difficult. Once they're loose, it should come up pretty easy. There's the bracket, and here are the 2 bolts. Well, it's seized on there, so I'm gonna have to get a hammer and try to hammer it out, or find a bolt that has the correct thread pitch to go in here in order to put it in there and make the thread or the brake rotors pop off. I'm gonna spray some WD-40, see if I can break it loose, and I'm gonna smack it with the mallet from behind. So that's not really doing anything. That thing's on there pretty tight. My next thing that I'm gonna do is try to find 2 bolts that will fit in there and here, and you tighten it in there, and what it'll do, it'll hit against the hub behind the rotor, and it'll actually pull the rotor out to take it off. So I'm gonna try that and see if that works. Just my luck, I was able to actually find 2 bolts that fit this thread. So I'm gonna go ahead and tighten it. I'm gonna only use one. I'm gonna tighten it, and this should pop off the rotor as soon as it pushes pressure against the hub. Okay, and I'm actually use another one. It is coming off. So let's try another bolt. There it is. That did the trick. As you can tell, the bolts are right there. Push pressure up against the backside, which freed my old rotors. So awesome. Now we can go ahead and put in the new ones.
Looks so badass.
This, guys, is what the final result looks like. So now I'm gonna do the driver's side, and I'm gonna do a time lapse of that for you guys right now. so now I'm gonna go ahead and start doing the rears. So I'm gonna try to explain this as best as I can to you guys, just like I did the front. Wish me luck again. So just like the front brake rotors, it looks like there's one bolt here for the brake caliper, and of course there should be another one under right here. And same thing, you remove the brake caliper, and then there's a bolt right here and up on top right here. That'll remove the actual bracket that holds the caliper in place. Once the bracket's removed, we should be able to remove the rotor and put in the new ones. Just a little note, the front size bolts to remove the bracket, they're 17 millimeter, and for the rear, they are actually 14. So there is a change of size.
Turn me up, son.
I just got done installing all 4 new rotors on my car, which I'm glad I did because I did not want to leave my car here overnight. So let me go ahead and show you the new rotors. They're actually pretty badass. Driver's side, drilled and slotted. The rear rotors, drilled and slotted. I did leave the original brake pads just because they're still good. So at least I have the ones from our R1 Concept. At least I have those. So when I do need to replace my brake pads, I have extras. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. I try to get into as much detail as possible, so when you guys do your rotors, you guys can do it yourself. I'm gonna announce our YouTube giveaway winner, which is, so congratulations. Go ahead and DM us or email us your address and shirt size, and we'll get that package to you right away. Also guys, we really appreciate all the love and support. Please go ahead and subscribe, comment below. Also check out our event that's going to be on March 24th, which is going to be at the NOS Center in San Bernardino, so make sure you guys are there. Registration is open, and also vendor tickets are on sale on our website, or actually on tuneinTokyoEvents.com, so make sure you guys check that out. Until then guys, peace out.
Everything I drop, play.